Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting for all you tech lovers who want to level up without breaking the bank. We're diving into the best budget-friendly tech gadgets under $50. Yes, you heard that right, awesome gadgets, all for under 50 bucks. Let's get started. First up, we've got the HaloLock Qi 2 wireless charger. This one's a game changer if you're an iPhone user. It's Qi 2 certified for fast charging, so it delivers 15 watts of power to juice up your phone faster and safer. Plus, the strong magnetic lock ensures that the charger stays attached securely to your phone even if you're picking it up to check a notification. The 5-foot cable gives you plenty of room to move around while your phone charges. And the best part? It's built to last with an ultra-durable braided design that can withstand over 6,000 bends. Definitely a great buy for just $50. Next up, for all my gamers out there, the G6 ModCase for the Steam Deck. If you love your Steam Deck as much as I do, you know it can get pretty toasty during long gaming sessions. The ModCase comes with a built-in cooling fan that keeps your device cool, preventing overheating and improving performance. This case doesn't just protect, it's fully modular. You can remove the back shell, swap out accessories like the metal kickstand or the front cover, and even add extra accessories. Full protection, customizability, and cooler gaming. What more could you ask for? Now, if you're looking for something fun and creative, check out the pixelated art display. It's a 16 by 16 inch LED panel that lets you create your own pixel art, animations, and even set it up as a digital clock or alarm. And it's super family friendly. You can use the app to create drawings with your kids, or just have fun experimenting with your own designs. It also works great in a gaming setup or as a cool decoration. Plus, you can leave messages for your family or set reminders right on the display. It's like having a smart message board, all for under $50. Ever been caught with a dead phone and no charger in sight? Say goodbye to that problem with the rolling square inCharge X. This tiny but powerful keychain charger supports fast charging up to 100 watts, which means you can charge everything from your smartphone to your laptop. It has a 4-in-1 design USB-A input and outputs for USB-C, Lightning, and micro-USB, making it compatible with pretty much every device out there. Plus, it's ultra-durable with a metal casing and braided cable, and you can easily snap it onto your keychain. Never leave home without it. Next on the list is the Amazon Echo Pop, a small but mighty smart speaker with Alexa built in. Whether you want to control your music, set reminders, or manage your smart home devices, the Echo Pop has you covered. And with its compact design, it fits perfectly in smaller spaces like bedrooms or offices. Alexa can handle everything from playing your favorite playlists to answering your questions, turning on smart lights, or setting the thermostat. Plus, it's made with eco-friendly materials, so it's not just smart for your home, it's smart for the planet. For all the DIY enthusiasts, meet the PineSol Mini Smart Portable Soldering Iron. This isn't your typical bulky soldering iron. It's super portable and heats up to 400 degrees Celsius in just 12 seconds. Perfect for quick fixes or projects on the go. It has a 32-bit processor that ensures precision, and the OLED display gives you real-time info on temperature settings. Plus, it's equipped with both USB-C and DC inputs, making it compatible with various power sources. A super convenient and affordable tool for your workshop. Now let's talk fitness with the Renpho Body Fat Analyzer. This isn't just a scale, it connects with the Renpho app and syncs with Apple Health, Fitbit, and Samsung Health to track 13 essential body measurements. You'll see not just your weight, but also your BMI, body fat percentage, and more. It's super easy to set up, and you can add multiple users, making it great for the whole family. It's a small investment toward keeping your health on track. If you love wireless freedom, the 12 South Airfly is a must-have. This nifty gadget lets you connect your AirPods or wireless headphones to any device with a 3.5mm jack. Think in-flight entertainment systems, gym equipment, or gaming consoles. It's got an impressive 20-hour battery life and can even be used while charging. Super handy for long flights or workouts when you don't want to deal with tangled wires. Ever left home and wondered, did I close the garage door? Well, with Smart Garage Control, you won't have to worry anymore. You can open or close your garage door remotely via the MYQ app and even set schedules, so it closes automatically at night. You'll also get real-time notifications whenever the door is opened or left open. And if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can even have your packages delivered safely inside your garage. Convenience and peace of mind. What more could you want? And finally, for the music lovers, we've got the Bluetooth 5.0 car receiver. This little gadget can transform any car into a wireless music hub. Just plug it into your aux port, pair it with your phone, and you're good to go. With CVC8, zero noise cancellation, and up to 16 hours of battery life, it ensures clear calls and crisp music. Plus, it supports hands-free calling and voice navigation, keeping you safe while driving. And that's it for today's roundup of the best budget-friendly tech gadgets under $50. Which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and hit that bell to stay notified. See you in the next video.